Let's see how to access home menus on LG TV. The WebOS 4.5 home menu includes the following features. The first one is the on-screen menu. The on-screen menu is a secondary menu that explains the details as we navigate the pointer. It shows the most recent accessed programs, most recent browser history, and recommended applications. WebOS 4.5 Home includes a variety of applications like Netflix, Vevo, Music Player, and more entertainment applications for quick access. The editing icon in the home menu allows to edit the arrangement of our contents. The Intelligent Edit menu helps to organize the contents of the home menu based on our usage. We can automatically arrange the contents based on our frequent used apps with just one click. We can also add our YouTube channel once we install the application. To install the application, click Go to Install. And then click Install. We also have easy access to our live programs and a new feature included known as Home Dashboard. And on the left side, there is a search icon. By clicking the search icon, we can search applications, videos, or music either from the TV storage or the internet.